2006, when I started my nursing school, I graduated 2010. Let me just tell you kung paano ba ako as a student before. I was a nobody. Like, wala akong confidence. When I was in elementary, from grade 2 to grade 5, ewan ko, parang consistent na most behave. Kasi I was so scared of teachers and I was so scared of misbehaving or pinapagalitan. Ayoko yung ganon. Ayun, lumaki ako talaga na walang confidence, low self-esteem. Hanggang nung college ako, syempre nadala ko yun. Yung I doubted myself as well. Sabi ko, parang kaya ko ba to? Because we're handling people's health. Pero sa isip ko at that time, parang kung kaya naman ng ibang tao, bakit naman hindi ko kaya, diba? I had that kind of mindset, but I was struggling na malabanan ko yung low self-esteem ko at that time. There was this one event na it was very memorable with me. Second year college, and I was trying to open an ampule. Eh, di ba glass yun? Tapos minsan mahirap siyang i-open. Yung clinical instructor, parang he is observing us on how to open it. And because nga, takot nga ako sa teacher, I was really struggling to open it. So yung kinuha ko na yung medication with the syringe, nagsishake talaga yung kamay ko, as in super shaking, na nag-i-spill na talaga yung medication from the ampule. Yung clinical instructor, nagalit siya. Sabi niya, "You're never gonna be a nurse. Get out of this room." Parang ganun yung ano niya, yung atake niya sa akin. I was so scared. Na-depress ako noon. Umuwi ako ng bahay tapos nagpa-practice akong mag-inject sa teddy bear ko.